Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start immediately by making the area safe. Unplug the charger and verify no power. Use a sharp blade to remove about 1–2 cm of the outer sheath, exposing the inner conductors. Once exposed, separate and straighten the red and black, or color-coded, wires so you can see any internal breaks or fraying. Make sure to trim back to solid copper where needed. You want clean ends for a reliable join. Keep small containers nearby to hold tiny pieces and avoid contamination. You now strip about 3–5 mm of insulation from each conductor using proper wire strippers to avoid nicking the metal. Once stripped, twist the exposed strands tight and apply a small coat of solder. This tinning prevents fraying and simplifies the final joint. Before joining, slide the appropriately sized heat shrink tubing over one side. Then align and solder the corresponding wires. Match colors, heat the joint, feed solder until it flows, and let it cool without movement to form a solid mechanical and electrical bond. You finish by sliding heat shrink over each soldered joint and shrinking it with a heat gun until snug. Make sure there are no exposed conductors or air gaps. Once cooled, test continuity with a multimeter and then plug in and test with your device while monitoring for heat or voltage irregularities. If you see intermittent connection or warming, reflow the solder and add a second layer of shrink or a small bead of epoxy for strain relief. Keep checking until readings are stable and the cable flexes normally.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.